So Dad, I know you've always loved using this product from Colorescience, the Total Protection No-Show Sunscreen, because it's all mineral but doesn't leave a white cast, but you've been asking them for something else, right?
Yep, make it bigger, and they did. So 2.6 ounces, 4 ounces. So if you've loved the Colorescience No-Show, which I love, it's my favorite product. I have in my car, I have it in my house, I go with it everywhere I go. And I love to have more when I'm going on vacation. So a reef safe product that I can put on my body, and this is what it is. So 4 ounces, great product.
Mineral sunscreens are ones that are really great, but they often leave a white cast. But Colorescience has figured out a way to have one that doesn't leave a white residue, and that is the Total Protection No-Show Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50, which we now have in 4 ounces.
You'll love it on your trips, you'll love it at home, so give it a shot.
So if you want an all-mineral sunscreen that doesn't leave a white residue and you want enough of it to cover your whole body, this new one from Colorescience is in 4 ounces and it's the one for you. Like and subscribe for more.